In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Twilio phone number. Whether you're setting up communication for a small business or integrating it into your app, purchasing a phone number through Twilio is a straightforward process. So let's get started on this exciting journey. First, you'll need to log in to Twilio. Open your favorite web browser and head over to the Twilio console. Enter your login details and sign in to access your account. If you haven't done this before, make sure your account is all set up and verified. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard of the Twilio console, which is your central hub for managing Twilio services. Next, let's open the phone numbers section. Over on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled phone numbers, then select manage, and finally click on buy a number. This will take you to the interface where you can start searching for a new phone number that fits your needs. Now, it's time to search for a number. In this step, you can use the search filters to find exactly what you're looking for. You can specify the country, for example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, or any other country where you need the number. Then, decide what capabilities you require. Twilio offers numbers that can handle SMS, voice, MMS, and even WhatsApp. You can also choose the type of number you want, whether it's a local number, a mobile number, or even a toll-free number, depending on your specific requirements. After you've set your preferences, a list of available numbers will be displayed for you to choose from. Here, you can see a range of numbers that match your criteria. Browse through them and find the one that best suits your project's needs. Once you've found the perfect number, simply click Buy next to it to select. Before you finalize your purchase, take a moment to review the pricing details. For instance, in the United States, a number typically costs around $1 per month, but there might be variations depending on the country. Look over this information carefully, and when you're ready, click on Buy Number to confirm your purchase. Finally, you can view your active numbers. Navigate back to the phone number section, select Manage, and then click on Active Numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all the phone numbers you currently own, including the new one you just purchased. Your new number is now ready and available for use with SMS, voice, or API projects. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of buying a Twilio phone number. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you now feel confident in managing your Twilio numbers for whatever projects you have in mind. Thank you for watching and happy communicating!